This tutorial will look at the Chart Data area. Open the Chart Data icon in the Tools panel. It looks like a chart and a list of information. The Chart Data window contains a wealth of astrological information. The first data window shows an overview of information for the current chart. It includes the position of each planet and point, what house each occupies, and the aspects with the smallest orbs. Miscellaneous chart data gives a summary of the information for the chart in position 1. If you want to see this information on a transit chart instead of the natal chart, first close the chart data window, swap charts, then open the chart data window again. It is important to close the chart data window before changing charts. The next data area, Chart Positions, lists the positions for each planet and gives geocentric and heliocentric latitude and longitude. In the data area for elemental balances, you can click and hold down the left mouse button to see an explanation for each of the balance charts. The Lunar Phase area shows the phase of the Moon for the current chart and some interpretive information. There are a variety of aspect sorts and grids. These windows list the chart aspects in various ways. Note that in each of these windows you can click the right mouse button and choose which planets to display and which aspect set to use. You can also print any of these windows to a PDF using the printer icon at the bottom of the data list. Rulerships, midpoint trees, and Ptolemaic dignities provide information useful in traditional historical astrology techniques. The graph of right ascension and declination shows you at a glance where any parallels of declination occur in the chart. Chart patterns show some interesting planet configurations for the current chart. Click and hold down the left mouse button to see an interpretation for the pattern. Lily strengths show the strength of the planets in the chart based on a technique developed by 17th century astrologer William Lilly. Mark Edmund Jones, a 20th century astrologer, developed the Jones chart types, which use the configuration of the natal planets to determine the type. This concludes the overview of the information available in the chart data window. Remember that you can save a copy of any of these screens to a PDF by clicking the printer icon.